the winter and air feel crisp and magical. The light shimmers softly against the evening sky, and every corner whispers the spirit of Christmas. Today we are stepping outside to decorate our ladders, our doors, our house, and the space that greet every smiling guest. Let's create an outdoor Christmas welcome that feels warm, homemade, and full of heart. Hello viewers, hope you are fine, doing well. So let's start the video. The Christmas ladder, a simple tool, turn into a piece of art, landing gently by your doorway or porch wall. Wrap soft fairy lights from top to bottom like twinkling star, cascade downyard, and teeny pines contrite with jute rope. Hang small ornaments, mini stocking. You can even place the little wrap gift boxes on each step. Symbol of joy waiting to be cheerful. And don't forget to touch greenery. A garland made from fresh pine branches or fox foliage gives the cozy forest feeling. The ladder does not just decorate, it's tell a story. So let's walk to main door, the heart of every home. First impression this where formed begin before your guest even step inside. Hang beautiful wreath made from pine cone, berries, and jute twins with flowers and rustic how maybe in deep red, golden, or black for that natural charm. If you are space frame the door with garlands and soft string lights, let's the lights wrap around gently as if embarrassing your doorway in glowing hug. Place two lantern beside the entrance, each with a flicking candle or LED lights. The soft glow welcome everyone, friends, family, neighbors, even passby with a message that say Merry Christmas. You are invited. As the door opens, the magic of the outdoor meets the warmth of your home. A welcome mat with a snowy message. A wooden sign that say Merry Christmas or a small bowl of candy cane by the entrance. These teeny touches speak louder than words. When guests arrive, they notice the fragrance of pine and cinnamon in the air. They hear the soft jingle of bells as the door moves, and most of all, they feel your love, your efforts, your care in every detail. And after that, they know the story of behind your craft. That's what outdoor Christmas decoration is truly about, not just the look, but the feeling in its give. Bring in the beauty of nature, pine cone strength, and dried orange slice. Decorate the base on your ladder with wooden plates, teeny plants, or even a mini snowman made of fabric or cotton. Place a small basket filled with pine needles and fairy lights to add depth. The texture of wood, rope, and natural tones. It is a mindful way of decorating, relaxing, creative, and close to nature. So as the evening set in the and the lights begin to glow softly, your ladder shine like a starry path. Your door stand proud and welcoming, and your guests feel the beauty of the season. Before even stepping inside, Christmas is not just about what a decoration; it's about the emotion we hang on every branch, every ribbon, every light. So take a breath, enjoy the process, and remember, Merry Christmas and may your home always shine with warmth, kindness, and peace. We hope you like the video. So, my dear lovely friend, if you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. Share with your friends and family. and support my channel. As I already stated, I really love your support. It's very valuable for me because I need your support. So keep watching and keep sharing. Post your valuable comments. Your comments is very valuable for me. I'm working on it, and my next video I will make according to your suggestions. You can also visit my channel if you are new here. Visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful craft ideas, DIY projects, step by step tutorial. So I really appreciate. Enjoy your holidays, upcoming season, upcoming Christmas event. God bless you all. God bless your family.